Hello, second grade scholars. Hey, I'm sorry I can't be with you today. I am attending a professional development conference today, so I will not be holding live classes as normal. But I wanted to leave you with this little bit of information of what you can work on today, and then let you go ahead and use class time as normal to complete your asynchronous activities. So, one of the things that I wanted to go over today was make sure you're going to your checklist. Um, Today is a vocabulary day for James and the Giant Peach. We're looking specifically at chapters 11 through 22. So I have up here an activity that's also from your checklist and in Schoology, that you're going to read through each of the definitions below for those words, and then you're going to choose three of the words, any three that you would like, and you're going to use your ELA notebook and a pencil to practice using them in a sentence. So remember, you don't have to submit your sentences today, that's okay, but I'd still like you to choose three of those words and write three different sentences using those words correctly. After you do that, I would like you all to go into kidsA2Z.com and complete one episode of Headsprout for today. That is definitely graded and it will be worth 5 points. So once you are finished with that, you can then head over to Acellus and make sure you are working up to step 625. That will be due by Friday. So if you need to work on catching up in Acellus, you can use today to do that as well. Thank you, and I will see you all back in classes tomorrow on Thursday. Have a great day. Bye.